So let's learn about the HTML comments. So what is a comment basically inside of a code base? The comment basically is a piece of text or piece of multiple text which will not be executed or which will not affect our code in any means. So let's go again. So let's have a comment. So for in HTML, how to write a comment, which is something like we have to open the angle bracket and then have to do exclamation mark and then do two dashes, and as you can see VS Code just automatically added the final thing. So to close the comment we have to do two dash and then we have to do this angle bracket. So so now what we can do, we have to do something like that. We can write anything. So this is a comment which does not affect the HTML code, and we can hit save. Now if we just zoom out, as you can see there is nothing inside of the like for this comment here, but inside of the DevTools we have this. So this comment is present here. So basically comments are for the developers to understand the code. Sometimes you are writing some complicated thing and you want to remember that, so you can just have a note in form of the comment, and in the future whenever you will be like seeing that code once again you will be well aware of that and you can recall what was this, right? So this is the purpose of the comment. So basically for the documentation, for write some text, and the best part is this code will not affect the HTML at all. Or in any other programming language you can have the comments as well and that will not affect that as well. So to summarize, comment is a piece of text for us to describe the code, and this thing, this comment will not do anything to our code, will not alter or make any changes to our code. This is just for us to like just to remember what we were doing and just to keep a note, and we can create some documentation, something like that. Also, as you can see inside of the browser there is nothing which is present because we add the comments, but inside of the DevTools the comments are visible and that will be visible as well. So yeah, this is basically it. This is in brief what the HTML comments are.